To protect your Telegram from being hacked, you first have to navigate to the top left corner where you see these three lines and click on it. A drop-up menu will appear. Proceed to tap on Settings. Then on this interface, scroll down a bit until you locate Privacy and Security and tap on it. And this is where the magic will happen. You have to make sure your two-step verification is toggled on. So for those who don't know what the two-step verification is, it adds another layer of security to your account. In order for someone to get access to your Telegram account, the person has to provide those unique codes. And to turn it on, all you have to do is to tap on it, then proceed to tap on Set Password. And you'll be required to enter some unique digits, but make sure any digit you are going to enter it is something that you'll remember it forever. If you forget it, your account will be difficult to be accessed. Then you have to navigate back again and then tap on Passcode Lock. Then with this selected, you have to enable the passcode, which also gives you another layer of protection to your Telegram account. Then after that, make sure you know the devices that's currently having access to your Telegram app. So when you tap on devices, you'll be able to see all the devices that is currently linked to your Telegram account. In this case, when you scroll down, you could see a list of them. If you are not certain of any of the devices listed below, you can proceed to tap on it and then continue to tap on Terminate Session. So this will automatically take off any unknown device from your Telegram account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.